Hello peeps. Today I'm going to talk about bending notes, and I also want to talk about, some people call them head shakes, some people call them trills, some people call them warbles. So let's get down to that first. To do that, all I want you to do is draw hole number 4. And you're going to be drawing hole number 5. You're going to start off on the 4 hole. And you go, while you keep drawing, you're going to go to 5 hole while you're drawing. Keep drawing, don't stop. And you're going to slide the harmonica back down to 4s, back up to 5, back down to 4, 5, 4, 5. You're going to go back and forth like that. Now, some people call them head shakes because they, because that's what it looks like. So that is what I want you to practice on. Another one that you can do is the blowhole number 2 and the blowhole number 3. Try with a lot of air, try with a little bit of air, and you'll get different effects. Use your hand effects while you're doing it. It's really cool. You can go slow, go fast. Practice these, and you could, do your little wrists, and now you can add in the You see what I'm saying? So you can kind of play around with it. Now let's get into bending notes. The reason I want you to start off with the B flats, because it's easier to bend a note on a B flat than it is on, say, like a C harmonica. There's a lot of songs out there that you'll be using a C harmonica, which you'll be playing a key of G, but it's harder to learn how to bend notes. It took me forever. So, and it's really a little bit harder to do. So if you learn on a B flat on how to do it, you'll kind of get the idea of it, and you can apply that to a different harmonica, and then you'll see the difference on what I'm talking about. It may require a little bit harder, but once you get the idea of it, the technique down, you'll kind of be able to use other harmonicas as well, once you get the technique down. So the best thing to do is the draw number 2. Now, it's kind of hard to explain bending notes, but there's plenty of videos out there that's good. You can check those out. So I'm going to try to explain this to you to the best of my ability. So let's draw number 2. To bend the note, you got your tongue like this, right? That's draw number 2. You got your tongue flat. Now, when you're bending a note, you're actually going to take your tongue and the back of your tongue is actually going to go to the roof of your mouth. It's kind of hard to explain, and it's going. So try to say oi, except for you're drawing in. And the more air you kind of like, that's what you're doing. You're saying, and then you kind of like let up. And then you'll be able to, once you practice that, you'll be able to kind of control it and do different steps of it. And then you can add that into your licks that you've been practicing on that I've talked about in the past. So it's like, you can do that with the whole number 4. So you can like do that with the number 4. You actually do it with the number 3 too. You can do it with the number 1. It's a little bit tougher to do on number 1, but you can do it. So practice that, and so at the end of this video, this is what I want you to be able to do. I want you to be able to do the warble, right? That's what I want you to learn how to do. At the end of this video, practice that. To do that, you're going to draw 4, 5, like I taught you. And you're going to start adding the bend, and that's how you get that effect. So, practice this. You can do it. See what I'm saying? You'll get that effect, and that's how, when you hear it, you'll know exactly how they're doing it. So now you know how to do it. Practice it, and have a good day.